How to fix the Instagram nickname option is not showing or missing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. With the new update on Instagram, you should be able to change the nicknames or keep it on chats. You can check it on the conversation and there should be an option to edit nickname or set the nickname. If it is not available, there could be various reasons for so. Some of them are app updates, regional restrictions, or account specific issues. So, in order to resolve it, first and foremost, make sure to update the Instagram app. Head over to Play Store or App Store, tap on the search icon, and type in Instagram. If there is an update button available, tap on Update. You can even join the beta version in order to get the beta updates on various features. So once that is done, make sure to restart your device, clear the Instagram cache, and then try to access the app again. Additionally, also make sure to check for account restriction. It could be that new accounts might not have access to all the features. Likewise, there could be region specific restriction based on local laws or platform policies. You can even try to switch to the professional account. Sometimes switching account types can resolve the feature accessibility issues. The feature is available on settings and accounts, and once you get to the professional dashboard, your issue should be fixed. Now that you go to your Instagram chats, you will see this option which says nicknames. Tap on it and you should be able to edit the nickname as well. However, if it's still not available, report the problem to Instagram. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.